We've recently purchased the store. It's been about 7 to 8 months, but this store has been in existence for over 30 years. I first found out about this program online. I wanted to look at options to save on my energy bills. As a small business owner, energy saving is money in your pocket.
The IESO program is a phenomenal program. There are benefits that can be derived from lighting and non-lighting assessment. The lighting assessment gives you up to $3,000 of direct incentives. The non-lighting component is $2,500. This facility has a number of 8-foot 2-lamp T12, and for the non-lighting, we'll be installing night blinds.
The experience has been very good. Everything right from the energy audit to the installation to the communication was very stress-free. As a business owner, we got hundreds of things to worry about. So this is one thing that you don't want to worry about, and it's autopilot. My initial reaction when I was told that it was free was of disbelief. But yes, as it stands, it's totally free. I would definitely recommend the small business program to other customers. You got nothing to lose. It helps you save on your energy, reduce your bills, and while you're doing that, you're saving the environment too.